hope you guys are doing well. Today in this tutorial we are going to cover the while loop and going to perform some of their examples to make it more clear. So let's get started. So basically a while loop is used to repeat a specific block of code and unknown numbers of time until the condition is met. So this is as similar to the for loop. It is used to repeat the task or statements, but here it takes the condition first and then it will initialize the further value or the body of the loop. You may pause the video in case you really want to read the theory that I have written right there. So now you can see the syntax. So as per the syntax, firstly we have to give the condition in the while loop. So next up is using the curly braces, we just have to put the body of the loop right there, and then the increment or decrement may take place in the body of the loop or may not. So here the curly braces ends up, and this is the while loop syntax. Now let's make it more clear by performing an example. So here we have to write a program to print your name n times. N is the number which is given by the user. So you just only have to print the name n number of times given by the user. So let's perform that first and see how it works. Alright, so this is how it looks like. So firstly, what I have to take is the iostream file and the conio file, which is the main file to for the processing of the program. And now with the void main, we just have to use the clear screen which is a command prompt for the clear screen. And now the data type int, I have taken two variables right here, which you can see. First is I, in which I have already initialized the value as 1, and n is the value which is given by the user. Now we have to give the first output on our screen after the execution of the program, that is enter the value. Here the user will enter the value, and this value is going to store in n inside cin in the next step that I have given right here. So now using the while loop syntax, now we have to perform the main program here. Alright, so in while we have to take the condition first, which is I less than equal to n. N is the number specified by the user, so till up to which the program will execute. Next up is the cout, that we have to give what output should be there. So I have given the Spider-Man right there. So next up is end L, which I think you all know what end L is and why do we use that. So I don't think that I have to specify this further. Lastly, we have to use the increment operator right there, which is I equal to I plus 1, just to add 1 and 1 and so on to each and every step. Now let's ending up with gets.th. We just only have to run this program, and let's just do that. So as if I'm a user, I have to enter the value, like I have given the number 5, and now this is it. So this is what you're gonna do in the while loop. I hope it's much more clear to you. If you want to go perform so many program of this, go through my next video and you can check that out also.